Built with premium features and top-tier materials, the TMRI 180S top mount refrigerator with ice maker is the ultimate way to keep food and beverage items at the optimum temperature. Measuring 66.4 inches by 29.5 inches by 30.75 inches, the unit's size and freestanding design make it easy to install. Create the perfect fit no matter where you choose to place your fridge with the TMRI 180's reversible door design. Enjoy consistent energy-efficient cooling thanks to the unit's powerful and reliable compressor. Avoid the time-consuming work of manually defrosting thanks to the built-in defrost mode. Only 18.6 cubic square feet of space, there is plenty of room to store bottles, food containers, cans, and more with ease. Simply organize your refrigerator and freezer interior with 4 convenient door shelves, 2 adjustable glass shelves, a butter box, and gallon storage. The freezer is equipped with a factory-installed ice maker, ensuring that you always have fresh ice to cool your favorite drinks to perfection. Users also appreciate this model's other noteworthy features, including a fingerprint-resistant exterior, Energy Star rating, and adjustable feet. Purchase the TMRI 180S top mount refrigerator with ice maker today.